Hello student, welcome to the second part of this optimum design problem. Now in the first lecture we have seen how to develop that primary design equation, subsidiary design equation, limit equation, classification of parameter. Now in the second part of this problem we'll see how to combine this SD with the PD. Okay, so this combine SD, that subsidiary design equation, with that primary design equation, eliminating the unspecified and unlimited parameter A. Now this equation become Cm, that is equal to C rho Fl upon sigma T. So this is the case of normal specification. Now the next step is combining limit equation with PDE. The next step is to include the effect of this limit equation in the developed PDE. Okay, so Cm, that is equal to C rho F upon ultimate tensile strength upon factor of safety into L. So put the value of sigma T in the equation and write down the equation. So Cm, that is equal to C rho F NF L upon SYT. Cm, that is equal to F NF L. So combine this known parameter in the second box, this unknown parameter C rho upon SYT. These are unknown parameter. Okay, so put the value of this known parameter F NF L in the equation and write down the equation. Cm, that is equal to 3000 into 2.0 into 0.5 into second bracket C rho upon SYT. Next, so calculate this value. So this equation becomes Cm, that is equal to 3000 in bracket C rho upon SYT. Now you see this equation, this C rho upon SYT, that is called as a material selection factor. So to minimize the material cost, this value of C rho upon SYT, it should be minimum. Okay, so we put this value in the table of the material. Now we'll see the next step. Now material selection. Now see the four different materials are given: plain carbon steel, alloy steel, aluminum alloy, titanium alloy. Their properties are given, that density, C and SYT. Now put this material selection factor in the last column, that is C rho upon SYT, and calculate this material selection factor for all these four materials. Okay, you see for the plain carbon steel it is 0.546 into 10 raised to minus 3, and which is a minimum. Okay, so this plain carbon steel, that is the selected material for this optimization problem. Okay, so the value of C rho upon SYT, that is equal to 0.546 into 10 raised to minus 3. Next step, determination of eliminated parameter. Once you identify the material, now we have to find out that eliminated parameter. Now we know that parameter A, that is eliminated in the previous equation. So the eliminated parameter A can be determined by using SDE, substituting the limit value of sigma t in equation. So the equation become SYT upon NF, that is equal to F upon A. So A, that is equal to F into NF upon SYT. So for plain carbon steel, SYT, that is equal to 400 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. So put this value of SYT in the equation and calculate area. So area A, that is equal to 3000 into 2 upon 400 into 10 raised to 6. So A, that is equal to 15 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. So this is the cross sectional area of the bar. A, it is equal to 15 mm square. Now next step, for the bar of circular cross section, area A, that is equal to pi by 4 d square. So 15, the cross sectional area is 15, that is equal to pi by 4 into d square. So d, that is equal to 4.37 mm. Now minimum material cost. So Cm, that is equal to 3000 in bracket C rho upon SYT. So put the value of material selection factor of plain carbon steel. So put that value and calculate Cm. So Cm, that is equal to 1.638 rupees, which is the minimum cost. Okay, thank you.